Well, hello, y'all. It is Believe Me, and I am back with some Love Me hair. Yes, Love Me hair has gotten me out of retirement. They rebranded themselves and have some special gifts put in now. So, like this little baggie here, you can put your hair in, so you just don't throw it in the drawer. You know, that bottom drawer you put your wigs in. And then this is a silicone wig grip. Love me some wig grips. Then they also gave a wig cap. Here it is right there. Cannot have a wig without the wig cap, must need. And then there's a rewards card, so if you review you could get $100. So might as well make it worth it. And then also the user guide, so for those newbies that want to know how to wear wigs, maintain wigs, there you go. And so there's also my favorite gift of all. It's coming, don't worry, here it is. But here it is now. No, there it is. I love paddle brushes. Let me explain to you. It is the best thing when it comes to curly hair. Please ignore the hair that is attached to it. Yes, I have been using it already. That's okay. And then the moment of truth. This beauty right here. Oh, look at her. She is a new wig on Love Me site. It's a brown color, like a 4, maybe a little lighter than a 4, and the highlight about 27. Soft, beautiful, long, about 22 inches. That's the one I got. It comes in different lengths, but I have a 22 inch. And then it's a 5x5 lace with an adjustable strap that doesn't detach. Love it. So you can have that security, especially with your wig grip, because you know, me and wig grips, we go back in the day. We go to the 2000s. And then, or 2010s, I should say. But anyways, that's the parting space right there. And then you could also see that they plucked the frontal pretty well. Like, it could use a little bit more, but for the sake of the video, to show just how well they did on the hairline, I'm gonna leave it like that. But overall, the knots aren't overbearing. They're not huge. They're not thick. Really well made wig. Very minimal shedding, which I will show you also. I'm ruffled wigs, so you'll see that. But I bleached it off camera. You could still see a little bit of knots, but you know what? It's honestly, there's no problem. But I will say this: I did use 30 developer instead of 40, so that's why it's still showing. So that was on me, and then I only kept it on for like 20 minutes, so not too long. I didn't want to over bleach. I'd rather have it under bleached than over bleached. So this is what we're working with. Still parting, looks nice. Part it anywhere on that 5x5. So I'm showing you now how much hair was lost. So that's after washing, blow drying, flat ironing, and like I said, me being aggressive. And then you can also see that it's some actual depth to that color. It's not just a flat 4, which is great. So I'm gonna pop it on and just let the video show the rest of the process of how to get this wig laid and slayed. And if I need to comment on anything, I'll be back. But enjoy. Bye. Hey y'all, so I made the mistake of not using an aerosol tint spray on this wig. As you can see, there's like a white cast there, but this product right here, it is amazing. It really does the job with getting it to match your color because it comes in a variety of colors. So I have to just cut back on this lace more than I wanted to, which is fine. It's still gonna work out in the end, as you will see. But if you like to have a little bit extra lace in the front, then definitely use that spray. And then I use a rubbing alcohol to take away the oils on my skin, so that it can also lay better, because I don't use abrasive products to hold down the wig and keep it in place. But the rubbing alcohol is very important for it to stay in place so that it's not a lot of oil. So this is me cutting off camera, cutting the lace back, and you can still see it a bit. So that's what I'm talking about. And then I use the Tresemme holding spray. It's a number 5, I believe, as far as the firmness of the hold. And so I just spray that on, and see, it melts it a bit, so it holds it together. But when I get those baby hairs out, then it works even better. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Okay, bye. beautiful. I love this wig. When I tell you that I never got 5x5s because I just wanted all the lace I could possibly get, this has definitely changed my mind. It's so easy to wear, so easy to apply, and she is bouncy. Look at the movement. Oh, and just falls back in place. And the respect I have for this wig, y'all don't understand. So I'm just gonna show different ways to style it, because that was my biggest thing, is that it's just not enough lace to style. But you know, you can work it out. Just get you a little sideburn right there on the side, and you could flip her over. Look at that, cute. And then you just have like a little tie back updo where the bangs are, and work it out that way. And of course the middle part, which just classic. You cannot go wrong with a middle part, especially with all the parting space in the middle. So 5x5, work that out. So I'm going to show you how she looks outside. Just the color is gorgeous. This is outside shade. That's my baby Tyson. Hey baby. And then I will show you how she looks in direct sunlight. Look at that. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. It is so beautiful, y'all. You want to go get that. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all the support. Okay, bye.